Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates with latest job notification as well as career guidance, interview tips in our channel. You can check our channel and you can subscribe our channel if you want this type of updates daily. And let me share with you one news, like I have published one video regarding the Infosys bulk hiring notice and Mindtree hiring notice last day. So you can check that video and you can go through and you can apply for that drive, because last date is 20th July, so you can apply before that. It's Infosys bulk hiring notification, you can check that. Okay, so in this video I will discuss about Tech Mahindra bulk hiring recruitment, so stay tuned with me. I will discuss every details in this video about this registration for Tech Mahindra 2021 hiring. Okay, so let us check first the eligibility criteria. So the candidates who have the qualification mentioned here, those can only apply, and those who have the UGC approved recognized AICTE college or university scholar institutions degree, those can apply. Okay, so other than this, UGC approved or non AICTE recognized institution or non regular scholar cannot apply, so those can leave this video. And engineering streams branch eligible like computer science, computer engineering, IT branch, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, and communication branch, and electronics or MCA. So among these branches, so these are the main eligibility criteria. If you are coming from these backgrounds, this educational background, you can apply for this job. And then next important criteria is you have to secure minimum 60% in your 10th and 12th, and also in your engineering degree or MCA degree. Those are eligible for this drive. And in case candidate has done diploma after 10th, then you have also secured 60% in diploma mandatorily. And where the candidate has done both 12th and equivalent the diploma, here also the 60% criteria is fixed. Next important thing for this criteria is the program is only open for the engineering graduate or the MCA candidates, those who have passed out in 2019 and 2020. Okay, so the previous 2 years candidates can apply. This is not open for the candidates before the 2019 batches. Okay, so also ME Tech candidates are not eligible for this drive. So specifically I am mentioning all the eligibility criteria. You can follow with me, because it's very much important to understand the eligibility criteria. Later I will showcase the link to you how to register, so you can directly jump or directly click on the registration button and you can register. Okay, let me first share with you. Then the next important criteria, it is the most important criteria, please hear it very concentrately, that is the system recognizes percentage grade only. Okay, so in case your academic grading or rating is CGPA based, like in your engineering you have done your system was CGPA based, then you have to convert them into equivalent percentage. Otherwise in registration form your form will not be accepted because of this non converting the CGPA to percentage. So I will suggest you to convert the CGPA of you have secured to equivalent percentage as per the university guidelines, and then entering CGPA rating will result you being not eligible for this drive. It is clearly mentioned over here. Okay, enter the percentage up to 2 decimal place. Next important criteria is this, the details you provide for the registration is the essence of an application form for the internship program. So you have to submit all the details. And next, all successful registration, the registration ID and registration PIN will be sent to your mail ID. Then you can check and you can appear the test with this registration ID and PIN. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that you will receive the registration and PIN after completing your registration successfully. Next important thing is you have to do this virtual online test. So you need not to go to any places there. So you can take the virtual online test in about 1 to 2 weeks from the date of candidate registration. So you do the registration, after in 1 to 2 weeks you will receive the test link, you have to give the test. So next important part is getting the NOC clearance to appear the test. That is, if you required by your current employer, that is if you are already employed or getting a clear exit to join Tech Mahindra Limited, being offered an employment which solely rests on you. Any experience you may acquired will not be cognizable as such. Extra weightage of any kind of evaluation or job offer is admissible. It is meaning that if you have done your experience in some other company, then you can showcase, but you have to that NOC certificate with you when you will get the offer letter by Tech Mahindra. If you are meeting all the eligibility criteria, then only this drive is meant for you, otherwise it's not eligible for you. In case you had appeared earlier in Tech Mahindra last 6 months recruitment drive, then also you are not eligible, because there must be a clear 6 months gap between the date you had last appeared for the Tech Mahindra drive and the date of registration. Okay, so be careful while filling the form. Related personal particulars and candidates clearing the online test will only be invited to the next level of evaluation. Okay, so these are the all important things. So what you have to do, so this is the main registration page. Here you have to just click on the click here registration for engineering and MCA candidate, and there also this information you will get. Then you have to click on I have read the instruction, then click on continue. Then the registration form will be opened. You have to fill up the personal details, carefully fill it, and your qualification detail, your post graduation or engineering graduation or science graduation, diploma, class 12, 10th, all details you need to provide here. And then you have to fill this captcha code and do the registration. So this is the whole procedure for this drive. Now I will give this link in my description box. You can share your doubts in my comment section. I will try to solve that news or solve that query of yours. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity. And now I am coming to the salary part. Salary is not given in the website of the Tech Mahindra, but as per our knowledge, for the last few drives we have seen that from 3.4 LPA to 3.6 LPA, within this range you will get the salary from Tech Mahindra. It's very good package, so you can go for this. It's free, and no fee is required to give this exam. So give this exam and try to crack this. All the best, guys. So if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button to give us motivation. Thanks. We will meet in next video with new job updates.